All right, guys, so we got some Javvy coffee. This is their protein coffee. They sent it out to us. My girls want to be in the video here because they are starting to like coffee. So here we are. We're going to be going over it. One of the cool things about this is protein coffee. So you're going to find out how easy it is to actually make it. We've got our cup of 8 ounces of water. That's all you need. We got ice to put in it, and we got a frother so that we can check it out. So I'm going to show you that way. So this is pretty cool. No stevia. No real or 100% real coffee, no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, which are huge pluses when it comes to this. There's 20 servings per container, and all you do is you take and you do 1 scoop of the stuff on inside of it, shake it up, and bada boom, bada bang, you have coffee. So we're gonna do a quick coffee test. What do we think, girls? Doing a quick coffee test? Yeah. So it's supposed to be 10 grams of protein per coffee, and this is the original one. So we don't have any extra flavors with it. With regards to it. So let's go ahead and get it open. Freshly cracked here. Oh, now the thing's going to be... Got the smell test. What's the smell test? What is it like?
It's like brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Okay. All right, a little brown sugar action. Let's see what kind of scoop we're dealing with here. So you got to dig in and get the scoop.
It looks like brown.
It is brown. I got it. All right. So we got our scoop. That's a pretty beefy size scoop. I mean, look at that scoop size right there. That's pretty big, isn't it?
It kind of looks like cinnamon.
It does look like a like a cinnamon. Here we go. 1 scoop, just like so.
It's going down to try to make it.
Let's hope we charge up our frother here. Let's see. What's it smell like? Smells good, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Can one of you grab a straw for me? All right, here we go. We're gonna froth it up. Just like that. I don't know about you, but if you use a frother, these things are game changer for mixing. We got our frother in. Look at that color. Look at that color of it. Yep. You got a golden color there. Now this does, like I said, have 10 grams of protein for it. That's fine, Scott. 10 grams of protein. So we got it all frothed up. And it's the original flavor. All right. You think we're mixed up?
Yeah.
That mixed up really easily. Like, I'm not going to lie. I don't think there's any extras in here. That mixed up really easily.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool.
That might take like a couple seconds.
Hold on. We're going to get some ice in it. Because we got to do a little ice action. We like iced coffee in this household.
Yeah.
We're not savages for that cold stuff or that warm stuff. Here we go. Let's go ahead and mix it so we can get the stuff going here. Yeah. All right. You hear that?
That probably means it's working.
Yeah, it is working.
Because it's ice in there. Why is it mixing up the ice?
I don't know. All right. So there we have it. We got our straw. Got to have a fun straw.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. The moment of truth. Does Javvy have the flavor we need? Remember, we're rating on original coffee here. That's what we're looking at. Sydney, you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I have my thoughts.
It kind of tastes like it.
It's got a very strong coffee flavor.
Yeah.
But it also has a very thick, like if you like protein, this is going to taste like a protein coffee that you would get pre-mixed at the store. Now you get to control it at the house. 80 milligrams of caffeine in here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
It goes like up and down.
Yeah, it's got a lot. I mean, it's got a hefty coffee profile. What do you think?
It got like a lot.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It was kind of not cool.
Yeah, well, it wasn't cold yet. We're gonna mix her up, and then we're gonna get through the rest of this. But guys, that is pretty cool. First shot at the Javvy protein coffee. Super excited. We're gonna be using this. You see how easy it was. In a couple minutes, we have a thing of coffee made, rip roaring, ready to go. So what do we say when we got this, girls?
Check it out.
Check it out.